Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subscriptions to your Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we can actually just click on this add apps right here. So when you click on it, this will open the Shopify app store for you. And then you can see all the apps right here. Now, if you see that this is not enough, you can actually just click on the Shopify app store and then this will show you a catalog of a lot of apps that you can integrate to your actual Shopify. Now, from in here, let's just click on the search bar and let's search in here for subscript. So, search in here for subscription, and then this will show you some search results that can actually help with this. So, we can choose Shopify, Broadwell, Revitec, Jewel. But what I can recommend you to do is you just click on the Seal Subscriptions app. So, click on this one, and then once you have done that, you can see that install button. So, click on install right here. And then once you have done that, it will actually ask you for permissions in order to integrate the specific application to your Shopify store. So it will ask you to grant its request. So something there, just click on install right here. And once you have done that, it will show you what it has in store for you. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. And then in here, you can see the sales subscriptions has been loaded, as well as the subscriptions that they have. So first, they will show you the terms of service. So just read all of this and then agree to this terms and conditions and click on proceed to the app. Once you have done that, you can choose the free trial, super sale, rising star. These are the available plans right here. So for this one, on the free one, they have here your 30-day free trial, wherein you have number of subscriptions for 150, 0% transaction fee, and all of these things right here. So just take note of everything and check. But when you scroll down, you can see that some things right here are actually closed or has an X mark. That means that this subscription is actually not supported in this type of category. So just choose your plan wisely right here. So for this one, for example, I'll choose the free plan. So click on select. Then from in here, you can see this create a subscription rule. So you can also access the sales and subscription rules right here. So click on great and thank you. Then in here, you should be able to create your first subscription rule for the people who want to subscribe to your Shopify store. So let's click on this. And then in here, you can see that they have a pop-up on how to do this. So for now, let's click on this create rule. Then just choose the subscription rule type. It can be auto charging or recurring invoices. So for me, I'll just choose this one. And then once you have done that, you must use Shopify payments and all of these things that they have. So click on close and then let's rename this rule. So let's name it Female. And then you can make a label for the plan selector as well. And you can also choose a product selection type. You can apply to specific products, apply to all products, or anything right here. So for example, you have this rule name right here, which is the premium. It will actually allow you to do this based on specific thing that you put in the specific rule that you have right here. So in order to integrate this, just click on select products right here. So select this product, click on add. As you can see, it's been added right here. So you can also offer a one-time purchase as well as a selling plan. It can be a weekly subscription. But for me, I'll just name it monthly subscription right here. So you can put in delivery interval as well as everything right here. Also put in here a discount, which is fixed amount percentage discount. So for example, for the ones that have this specific rule, they will have 10% discount. So in here, you can also add a selling plan and everything right here. Now, your shop will be eligible for Shopify payments, Shopee, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Stripe Pay, Viva Express, or Authorized.net. In order to integrate that, you need to actually head over to your settings and then set up all these payment gateways right here. You can check out other videos in order to help do this. So when you click on Save Rule right here, it will actually see that it will look like this. So let's click on yes right here, and of course. And they will actually add for a quick review, but as you can see, it has already been saved right here. So just choose many subscription rules or just create subscription rules that you have, and in here it will actually allow users in order to subscribe to this subscription that you have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.